everyone. We are really happy to announce about Reseller Partitioning, which is a new and dynamic feature of ITIL Switch Plus. With the help of Reseller Partitioning, you can provide reseller fully customized billing interface, dedicated billing link with domain name or separate IP, dedicated SIP domain to register the PIN, and you can give a complete new switch flavor. Now, let's have a look how can you manage reseller partitioning. To do that, at first you have to create reseller partition. To create reseller partition, you have to go to Manage Reseller Partitioning under Manage Partition and then click on Add button. Here you can see Add Reseller Partition page. In the first field, you have to provide a name. Your billing link will be created by this name. You can put anything in description field. You can see in login URL, a billing link has appeared automatically. Here you can change the billing IP with the help of additional IP, or if you want, you can put any domain name here. Now you can see a message notification. This message indicates that your domain name does not exist in this server. System will check and will remind you automatically about this. SIP server name. By default, you will see the switch IP here. If you want, you can bind any reseller with SIP domain or realm. Then you have to provide a SIP domain here. You have to keep in mind that you have to forward this SIP domain or realm to this switch IP. Again, you can see a notification which indicates that your SIP domain does not exist to this switch. If you want to configure visual interface of billing, then you can do it from here. Here, you have to select color for the top header, second top header, menu bar, and footer. You have to upload your logo as per defined dimension to avoid complaints from client and for a perfect appearance. Same as logo, you have to upload image of home page as per specific dimension. Now, if you will click on Partition Home Page Preview, then you can see the page that you have customized. Now, if you will click on Submit button, then reseller partitioning will be created. To assign this reseller partition, you have to create a reseller. For that, as usual, you have to go to Manage Client, then click on Add button. Here you can see Add Client page. Now, you have to give a name of reseller. Then you have to provide password and confirm that password. As a client type, you can select reseller. You have to provide balance. Parent account will be none and assume that admin will be parent. You can select rate plan from here. You can also select mobile top-up rate plan. Here you can see a new box to assign reseller partition. From this option, you can select the partition that you have created for a reseller. If you select reseller partition, in that case, the reseller must have to log in with specific billing link and have to register with SIP domain or realm. If you choose none, then for this reseller there will be no restriction to login in billing as well as no restriction for SIP realm. Now let's assign a reseller partition and click on Submit button to create a reseller with reseller partitioning facility. Now let's have a look how this reseller can log in billing. If this reseller will try to log in from your admin web panel, let's see what happened. Here you can see a notification, invalid username and password. That means this reseller cannot log in without his assigned billing link. Now let's see how reseller can log in with his assigned billing link. Let's put dedicated billing link in web panel. Here you can see customized login interface that you have created for this reseller. Now you can see the customized home page for this reseller. Now let's see how admin can edit or delete reseller partitioning. For that, you have to select Manage Reseller Partition and then click on Search button. Here you can search by partition name, description or SIP server name. From this section, you can also edit or delete by selecting that specific reseller partition. If you want to edit any reseller partition, then you can also do it from here. Here, you can change reseller partition name. You can also change login URL by using any alternative IP or any domain name that you have forwarded to this server. In SIP server name, you can put any SIP domain or realm. You have to forward this SIP domain to your switch IP. You also have option to change billing interface by changing colors. If you want, you can also change logo.